Morning, evening, night, my folks. This is Kurt Devino, and you're watching Kurt Devino Reacts. Today I'm checking out episode 82 and 83. Just got finished watching 80 and 81 like 3 seconds ago, and they're on this island that's snowing. Nami sick. Luffy and Sanji is going up the mountain fighting these big old demon bunnies, or not fighting them, like dodging them, trying to get away from them to find this witch who's already in some other place with this reindeer creature that growls like a dog, and they help this little boy out, and this doctor is dressed like Hannah Montana, like she's just like some young teeny bopper dressing 130-year-old chick with a nasty looking old lady body. And now she left that place, like Dalton and Usopp and Vivi went to where the witch was at to try to find her, but when they got there she had already left and headed back to where they just came from. Zoro ran into her, and Zoro said to her what I think about her, said, You're a weird looking old lady, you look kind of nasty dressed like that, and she punched him in the face and just kept going. And also Wappo showed up to the island, killed all the watchmen, and one of the surviving watchmen was straggling along, and he wore Dalton that Wappo has returned, and Dalton just transformed into a buffalo, like he just transformed into a buffalo. So Dalton looks like he's on his way to confront Wappo. This witch is going back to the village. Sanji and Luffy is going up this mountain with poor Nami for no reason because the witch ain't even there. So what's about to go down these next 2 episodes, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to find out. So let's jump on into the episodes.
As always, family, remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new, and hit that notification button to stay up to date. There's also a link to my Patreon in the description below. Come join the community. Yours truly appreciates the support. Let's go!
Yeah, and at the end of the last episode, Sanji did say an avalanche is coming. I remember that. So yeah, I didn't mention that, but I'm trying to see what the fuck, how you gonna run away from an avalanche, especially with poor Nami on your back. God damn, Nami is going through it right now. I'm like speechless right now, trying to see what the fuck are you gonna do to get out of this. Like, I'm gonna say, how is that gonna work? It could just cover up that high peak. He just ate somebody's house. That's a bad way to get foreclosed, man. Oh, that makes you mad, huh? Woo! Nice clean slice. Why, man? Now, what's the point of that? That's just unnecessary evil. Yeah, transform into Buffalo Man again. The ox fruit. That's what it is? Sick. Sick. With the swag though. Oh, he's going to aim for them. Oh, he's going to take the coward way out, right? Woo! You could have just smacked him or something. I don't know if it was necessary to take the arrows to the chest. You probably had enough time and speed to smack him. That's the avalanche, right? Yo, Zoro really is out of his mind. You better gum grab some shit in the sky. Oh, there go one. You're going to summon them in a pot, right? They probably heard you talking shit. You said, next time I see those bunnies, I'm going to summon them in a pot. The bunnies should show up like, bet. Man, that is crazy. Sanshi be alright. What the hell? What the fuck? Like Sanchi just played a trick on him. I know he did it for real, but what? Why would the doctor still stay with them? Stay with the villagers. Like, what kind of greedy shit is that? You're just gonna take all the doctors away just to be cruel. Just to have sick people back for their lives, according to you. They don't even care about the doctor's well-being. Wappo is garbage, man. Fuck that dude. Nami. How are you doing, Nami? Nami lived through all of that. Yo, Nami's a soldier, man. Respect, Nami. Y'all gotta hurry up and get her better, yo. This is quite the detour to Alabasta, too, man. I hate running into frustration like that when I'm trying to get something done, but I can't get it done because of one thing that shouldn't take that long. But it ends up taking long because of all of these fucked up circumstances. I'm like, yo, stop making it fucked up and frustrating. It's the worst thing ever. I'm trying to get something done, and you're in the way. Like, this whole finding a doctor thing is in the way. Nami is, like, dying. She needs help. And the witch is, like, somewhere. This punk motherfucker took all the doctors away from the island to make it hard. Like, And these killer bunnies just want to be in the way. Like, come on now. What's that? His mom or his dad or something? Luffy look like he is in no mood. Like, don't even. That's a little annoying one. Like, I think that's the first one they ran into, right? The one Sanji kicked. Damn. Luffy strong, huh? Luffy strong. With one hand, he just said, what? And you saw the veins popping out his arms and shit. Okay, Luffy. Little strong man. Little strong rubber man. Wow. Worst timing ever. This is what I was saying earlier about shit that's just getting in the way, frustrating you. Wappo, you are in the way. Nigga, nobody has time for this. Go away. He'll deal with you another day. Like, come on, yo. Like, we trying to get something done. And your bitch ass, it's just, you want to be in our face on some bullshit. Nigga, I didn't even do anything to you. You tried to attack my shit. And then I gum bazooka your ass, flew your ass somewhere, and now you want to try to get revenge on something you started with me? Nigga, I'm trying to help this woman on my back, man. She's like 2 inches away from dying. Fuck is you in my face fucking with me for? Let's go on to the next episode, man. Pissing me off, yo. Yeah, like, listen. Get out of my way. Get out of my way before I really hurt you. Wow. Y'all gotta go away, man. And I know it'll be hard to just put them down somewhere too, because it's 3 of them. It's 3 on 3. Like, he a piece of shit. Like, if Luffy tried to set Nami and Sanji down, they might just go after him anyway. It's like, come on, man. Y'all gotta go away, yo. You want some coward shit for real. He can't even give you a fair fight. Like, yo. Take your bitch ass somewhere else. Gangster. Oh shit. The bunnies are allies now. That's gangster. Respect. You're a real one, bunny man. Respect. Kindness go a long way, man. That's what's up, yo. He said, yeah, we got your back. Go ahead, man. We'll handle Hungry Hippo and his 2 little lackeys. So the one Luffy pulled out of the snow must have been the head one, because it looked like he just called all of them up and said, hey, listen, everybody, we protecting Luffy now. Fuck Wappo up. So I mean that must have been the head demon bunny, the head lopping. Damn, he cold too. Like, you can see the frostbite on his fingers and shit. I can't stand cold weather either, man. I can only imagine the suffering. I'm surprised his straw hat isn't flying off, yo. Like the coat just flew off, but his straw hat is just staying strong on his head. Cause I know Luffy will lose it if that shit fly off. And he have a tough choice to make, huh? Like stay on course and save your two friends, or save that straw hat. I just thought of something. The reason why Usopp's nose is long is on some Pinocchio shit to represent him being a liar. Is that what the creator was trying to do? Damn. He looked like SpongeBob's parents. Like if you ever watch SpongeBob SquarePants, like that's how his mom and dad look. I know you cold. Your retarded ass wanna run around in the snow and swim in the water with no shirt. Like you wanna beach or some shit. Damn. Damn, that's fucked up, man. How the hell was he strong enough to take care of all them bunnies? I have no respect for Wappo's strength, so I gotta... Man, it's fucked up that he was strong enough to take care of all them bunnies, though. Ooh. Ooh. That looks like it's painful. Yeah. That's what I said, Usopp. You about to you about to fight? You about to fight cold like that, Zoro? Zoro don't even have the swords, do he? Woo! Real swift with it. Gangster. Did he take his swords too? Come on, Zoro. Let's go to work, Zoro. Yes. He took his swords. I knew it. There we go. It's over for y'all. Once he put that sword in his mouth, it's over for y'all. Woo! Clean cuts. Making lunch meat out them clean cuts. That's them deli counter slices right there. He said, slick, 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 slick. Put y'all on hoagie bread with some mayonnaise and pickles, nigga. I think Vivi might be Anna Zoro a little bit. She keep calling him a nickname, Mr. Bushido. I don't know what that means. Damn. He bleeding and everything. Soldier on, Luffy. Oh. Oh, shit. Damn. That's fucking painful, y'all. This motherfucker's fingernails are falling off, man. That's actually a tactic of torture. To rip a motherfucker's fingernails off, that shit is painful, man. That's a lot of nerve endings in there. You know what's crazy? Now all three of them need medical treatment. Nami, Sanji, and Luffy. They all need to be held up, man. And you're just gonna fall asleep. Like right in the snow. Isn't that the reindeer that was with the witch? So the witch is back? Or did the reindeer get there by itself? So the witch came back to the castle. Oh shit. Does that thing change form or something? Cause it looks different every time I see it. What the hell? What's your problem? Knock my headphones out my ears and shit. Like, god damn. Alright, that was episodes 82 and 83. That shit had me on the edge of my seat during the ending of 83. It's like, yo, him climbing up the mountain with them with his fucking fingernails bleeding like that. That shit made me cringe. Like, on some real shit. But at least he made it. Wappo isn't done yet. Like, he actually was able, him and his two little lackeys was actually able to beat all them bunnies. So what's he gonna do? Like, he's gonna go to the castle and start some shit? If he do, Luffy, Sanji, and Nami should be held up by the time you get there, right? Or just in shape enough to fight. That'll be a relief. We already know that Wappo's gonna get his ass whooped by Luffy and Sanji. This witch doesn't seem like a bad person. You know, she might get a bad rep, but she's helping them out. You know what I'm saying? And that little reindeer that she's with, I don't know what that thing's deal is. It looked like it changes form. Like it just looks different every time I see it. It was on 4 legs when I first saw it, growling like a dog, and then it was all fucking buff. It looked like Nappa from Dragon Ball Z when Luffy was about to fall and he grabbed him real quick. And now it's like a little twerp. I don't know what that little deer deal is, but hey man, hopefully Wappo gets taken care of. And I already know Zoro's funny ass. He just jacked one of the soldiers' coats and then took himself 3 swords. I already know Zoro's gonna take care of the soldiers. Like, I ain't even worried about that. That's easy work for Zoro, so that's gonna be done with easily. I don't know if Dalton is actually dead, but if he is, RIP to him. But I have faith that he's still alive. So it looks like Nami is finally getting help. Thank God, man. She was like fucking going through some shit, like really clinging on her life. And Sanji and Luffy look like they getting help too. That's good. So it looks like a lot of things good is happening right now, which is cool. But you know, we still got to get the Alabaster, and we still got to take care of this Wappo dude, of course. But you know, he's gonna be taken care of. But in any case, man, I'm gonna hop on into the next 2 episodes right now. If you like my reaction, leave a like and a comment down below. Also, subscribe if you're new. And hit that notification button when you do to stay up to date on what I'm doing. I'll see y'all at the next reaction. I'm out.
It's alright. And I can murder a track quick, but I'm going with this rap shit, cause you niggas are lame. But it's alright.